Conestoga's new long-term care home assistant program is a free entry-level program designed to have you trained and employed quickly.
After taking the long-term care home assistant program, my whole life feels enriched. It's the very first time I've ever taken an online program, and I found it very user-friendly. Everything was set up for just exactly what I needed when I needed it.
In just 5 weeks, you will receive essential skills and training delivered virtually, followed by an optional 2-week paid job placement with a long-term care provider.
As soon as I went onto the floor, after I did the program, everything that I learned in the program was there, and it was set up for us to succeed. I encourage everybody I know to take the long-term care program. It was very motivating, very supportive. I want to do it again.
Apply today to Conestoga's new long-term care home assistant program.